we observed with our statistics that almost about 5 lakh voters in each constituency were not registered for voting, and about 70% of them were in the age group of 18 to 24. It was then we realized that something needs to be done in this aspect and that the awareness needs to spread in the youth. And with that, we came up with the idea of Votathon.
So, Votathon was a part of our project I Vote for a Better India, which is a part of Volunteer for a Better India, a pan-India initiative of the art of living. The main aim of Votathon was, actually we had 3 aims. The first was to increase the awareness among the young people about voting. Second, as Gerald just mentioned, that 70% of the population in each constituency was not registered for voting, and majority of them were the youngsters. So the second objective was obviously to increase the registered youth for voting, and third was obviously to increase the voter turnout among our young people. And I feel very proud to inform all of you that we had 11 colleges which participated in Votathon from Goregaon to Borivali, and they managed to get 7,000 young people registered for it.
To invite our respected chief guest of the day, Shri Shirish Mohod, to come up on stage and address the crowd.
Honorable Principal Dr. Nandita Roy, Madam, Mr. Ramchandra, Madam Vasudha Junjunwala, my dear students, very good morning to you all. In the beginning, let me thank Vasudha ji for giving me such an honor in my life. This is the first time, the first occasion where I'm addressing a meeting as chief guest. So it's really a memorable one for me. Thank you very much. I won't take much of your time because up till now I have been always sitting on the other side of the dais, so I know how painful it is to listen to the speeches. Anyway, I won't take, but for 3 reasons I won't take much of time. One is I said, and then the second is being first time chief guest, I don't know how to talk and what to talk. The third is more genuine, is today being a working day, I need to go back to my office. Coming back to the occasion, on behalf of Election Commission of India, I have come here as a representative of Chief Electoral Officer, Maharashtra State. I take this opportunity to thank the Volunteer for Better India for doing such a wonderful and great job of Votathon campaign, and to you students also. Unless you responded, this campaign would not have been a success. You students have really done a great job. Vasudha Madam was constantly coming to our office, even you. So you were doing, and we were supporting, but the main job was being done by you. This resulted in, as you know, we have recorded almost 20% more registration, and if compared to 2009 elections, in both Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, we could register 10%, more than 10% turnout also. So I must appreciate your hard work, and the credit must be given to you and such campaigns. But at the same time, I must make a mention that the job is still not done. We do have a gap in registration of, you are concentrating more on youth registration, but at the same time we have a gap in women registration also. So I would take this opportunity to make an appeal to you to take that cause also. If we compare to our census figures, we have some 940 female to 1000 male. But when we look back to our registration, we see only 890 females are registered against 1000 males. So we have a gap of 50, around 50. So that is the area where you can work. And youth also, despite, even after doing such a hard work, we still have a gap. Census shows that between 18 to 21 years age group, that's a student group, we should have 3% of voters in that age group, but currently we are having only 1%, so still there is a gap. So I would make an appeal that you motivate your friends more and more to get them registered and also to ask them to vote. I would take this opportunity to tell you that currently our special summary revision is going on from 1st December to 16th December. So this is an opportunity where on 1st of January 2015, those students who are completing 18 years of age, they are eligible to register themselves. So take this opportunity. On both Sundays, coming Sunday 7th and also 14th, we will be having special offices at your doorstep, at your polling stations, nearest polling stations. Our officials will be setting up their offices. So there also you can register yourself. We can make a campaign over there. We will welcome you. And you are doing a great job, so it has to be a continuous effort. We hope, yesterday only the UT has settled, so I don't see election in your future. So, so we can rest assured. But the registration will be a continuous process. So once again, I thank you all, and thank you very much.
So, we have always seen that whenever we have moments like these, there are always a few outstanding individuals who sacrifice their personal interest just for the sake of the bigger vision and the bigger purpose. And we have one such person among us today. His name is Akhil Patel. You saw him in the video. So this guy actually postponed his CA exams so that he could be a part of this project and he could give his 100%. So make a big round of applause. Could we please call upon Akhil? And if I can ask Sir Shirisha to please come up and present the certificate to him. So I would like to kickstart the certificate distribution ceremony by calling upon first Saraf College. May we have all their students along with their NSS aid to come and collect their certificates. So if I can have the Secretary of Vivek College of Trust please come up over here and speak. Can you please welcome him with a big round of applause?
Dear friends, it is a wonderful experience to be part of this program. I went by BBI. I met with Srish and Vasudha ma'am, And within a short span of time, about 10 minutes, I able to understand what is there in their mind. They want the future India to be 100% people who are voting. And today we are just finding, yesterday or day before you must have gone through the newspapers, 70% voting is done in Jammu and Kashmir, where every day we had problems, they have winter, they have so many hardships there, still they have come out and voted. That is what we want to be done everywhere in India. And when I was talking to them, he has given certain ideas to me which I fully agree with him. He said, if I don't have a intention to come and vote, I got no right to ask for anything from the country. And certain ideas which he and we discussed, I don't want to discuss over here because certain things are very personal. And I'm very proud of NSA volunteers who have come over here, and Vivek Education Society, as usual, will support any good cause which is for the upliftment of the deserving people, and we welcome you people to come and approach us, and we are there to support you. Thank you, Nandita Madam, also. Thank you.
With immense gratitude, I would like to share with you our inspiration, the founder of Art of Living, His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. He is a humanitarian leader, spiritual teacher, ambassador of peace. His vision of a stress-free, violence-free society has united millions of people across the globe, and he has continued to initiate thousands of service projects in the course of time across the globe. Art of Living is the biggest volunteer-based NGO in the world, with its reach in more than 151 countries.
So that is some incredible work being done by the founder, organization, the teachers and the volunteers world over. It is unparalleled, believe me, and it deserves a bigger round of applause. And now I would like to invite our next speaker for the day. If we can please have on the stage Miss Nandita Roy, Vivek College Principal. I would please request her to come and share a few precious words with all of us.
I would welcome all of you here, students from other colleges, my teacher colleagues from other colleges, my own teachers from here, Vivek College, my students here, NSS volunteers. It's a very exciting moment for us all here to be present here for such a noble cause. Apart from being noble, I think it is a very practical, realistic and required cause, and for that the first thing I would like to do is to thank our hosts and co-sponsors for the day, Volunteer for a Better India, Vasudha, and where is this girl here? Sukirti. Thank you very much for making this day possible, because if you had not taken this up, then I'm sure my college wouldn't have taken this up, my students wouldn't have taken this up, and if my students hadn't taken this up, then you wouldn't have got so many voters today. So thank you for making all this possible. Thank you also for all the other causes that you are taking up. I heard Vasudha say that they are taking up some environmental causes, something about how to stop the cutting down of trees. Now this again is very close to my heart personally, because I do feel that not only do trees and plants and vegetations make the earth a more beautiful place, but they are so important for our existence. Vasudha, I do hope that you will take this campaign forward and make students and the whole world understand the importance of all of us being a part of this universe. Whether we are humans, whether we are animals, whether we are trees, we are all part of this one universe. If we start harming anybody else, any other element of the universe, we ultimately land up harming our own selves. This is something that we do not realize but it is also something that is very deeply ingrained in our own Indian philosophies. But the only problem is that today we are so much into this high-tech, mad rat race to be the first in everything that we forget all these values that we have inherited from our own culture. And it is this value that we are turning back today, because why are we saying that do not cut down trees? We have been saying that right from the beginning, when our ancestors said that I am a part of this universe. If I worship any god, then that god is within me. I am within that god. All these things are a part of our heritage. We need to go back to it today to regain the balance. Thank you, Vasudha. I will not take up much of your own time. It does tend to get heavy, and I, being a teacher, I'm used to going on. Once I start, it's difficult to stop until the bell rings. So, I would just, again, thank you all for being here. Please, students, keep up your enthusiasm. Please remember that this planet that you live in is your responsibility. It is something, not just something beautiful that you are inheriting, it is your responsibility. You have to look after it, you have to take care of it. Just as when you say that I volunteer for a better India, you are volunteering, which means that nobody is forcing you to do it. It means nobody is paying you to do it. It means that you are doing it because you think that it should be done, you believe in it. Unless you believe in it, you will not be able to do it from your heart. And volunteer for a better India. What do you mean better India? Better India is our own country. Not just our own country, we are a part of the country. We are a part of its soil. We are a part of the air that we are breathing. So if we make our country better, we make ourselves better. Thank you very much. Please keep up the good work.
So the next college in the line is NL College. Can we have all the students coming up? The ERO officer, sir, to come up to your... Miss Megha Juvekar, so if I can ask her also to come up over here, she's already can I please ask our team of singers and musicians to come up over here?
Good afternoon, good afternoon everybody! That's like a youth, man. हम किसी लक्ष्य के पीछे हमेशा भागते रहते हैं कि नहीं? तो क्यों ना हम एक और लक्ष्य को पाए? Yes? किसका लक्ष्य? कैसा लक्ष्य? Vote for a better India, have a better India, and volunteer for a better India. गुड 700 लेने देते हैं. Anyhow, thank you very much. I'm sorry that I am late. The principal of the college, the staff of Vivek College, the NSS program officers, and my dear NSS volunteers. It's great that a movement which was been started a year back for doing something good in this society for a change, and that has been achieved. Many of these students really they have participated in Votathon, and they have brought a lot of things into the society. They themselves have changed. They realize the responsibility towards the nation, and really they have done it. And thanks to VBI, the Volunteer for Better India, for doing that in a very unique way and a very nice manner. I would like to congratulate Vasudhaji, Sukirti and her team of VBI for doing this project along with NSS volunteers, the core youth movement of India, and one of the largest youth movement of the India which is shaping India to its success. मेरे मित्रों, जितना आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हो और आज उसकी सराहना आपके लिए VBI ने ऑर्गेनाइज की है, आप उसके काबिल हैं. आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, इसके आगे भी अच्छा काम करेंगे. ये NSS वाले बहुत बार प्रूव करके देते हैं, है कि नहीं? ज़रूरत है किसी को शक करने की? Yes, and that's the spirit NSS volunteers. I want you to come at that level कि NSS का नाम हर जगह पर होना चाहिए, एक अच्छे मकसद के लिए होना चाहिए. सुकीर्ति, thank you for giving me chance. सांस भी नहीं लेने देते तुम लोग, Anyway, thanks VBI for doing very good job. Thank you very much.
Any guesses which is the next college? चलो यार, अपने कॉलेज का नाम तो लो, जो लोग बच गए हैं.
यह छोरी छाती वीरों की, यह भोली शक्लें हीरो की, यह गाते हैं राजे, यह गाते हैं राजे. सुरती नदियाँ हमें कौन आवे?
करने की वो आत्मा उल्लंघना हो जो सस्ता आशाएं तूफानों को चिरने मंजिलों को चिरने आशाएं मिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी हवा हवा ये हवा खुशबू लुटा दे आ चली मुझको बता दे मैं उससे मिलूंगा एक बार मिला दे यार मिला दे दिलदार मिला दे यार मिला दे दिलदार मिला दे
I love you जानू
कौन की जानू की मैं जानू
जानू है जानू भी I love you जानू है भी
नाही बाबा आज तुला निर्णय घ्यावा लागणार मी किंवा मी आमच्या दोघींपैकी तुला एकालाच निवडायला लागणार सांग ना ती की नाही मी सांगितलं नाही का मी
अरे चुप बसा ही मला पिक्चरला घेऊन जाते ही माझ्यासाठी डब्बा आणते ही पैसा खर्च करते ही दिसायला सुंदर आहे काय करू जायला दोघी गेले काय दिवस होते याच झाडाखाली तिघींना घेऊन बसायचो आज माझ्या सोबतीला एकही नाही. काय करू? ही जागा अनलकी आहे. हे झाडच तोडून टाकतो.
अरे काय तुझ्या घरी नवीन प्रॉपर्टी बांधली असं ऐकायला कसले ना. अरे तेच ते मोठं शौचालय.
ते तर असंच बांधलंय गव्हर्नमेंटला दाखवायला. तिथे त्या चार भिंतीत काय मजा नाही. निसर्गाच्या सानिध्यात किती मजा वाटते बघ.
इथे तरी बडबड नका करू.
हॅलो रमेश, कुठे आहे तू? अरे येताय ना तुम्ही? अरे नदीच्या काठची कापायला. अरे नदीच्या काठची झाडं कापायला. या 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 लवकर या लवकर या. अरे मला झाडं कापायची आहेत, घर बांधायचं आहे, लग्न करायचं आहे, मग हनीमून पण करायचं आहे. येताय ना? येताय ना? हा लवकर या लवकर या.
सलाम वालेकुम भाईजान, बोलिए कैसी याद किया?
या बरं झालं वेळेवर आलात. आजपर्यंत खूप चांगली कामं केली तुम्ही, या पुढे कराल. पण आज एक महत्वाचं काम आलं आपल्याकडे. 2,500 झाडं तोडायचे. तिकडे मेट्रोचं यार्ड बनवायचं आहे. 2,500 झाडं तोडणं म्हणजे माझ्यासाठी काय मोठी गोष्ट नाही. पण हे समाज सुधारक आंदोलन करतायत. काय माहिती झाडावर ढगात देऊन देणार की काय?
नाही, घाबरायचं काही काम नाही. आज रात्रीला घुसतो आतमध्ये आणि टाकतो सर्व झाडांमध्ये केमिकल. लावतो सगळ्या मुलांना कामाला. एका रात्रीत काम तमाम.
ठीक आहे ठीक आहे.
किती मजा येते ना.
काम तमाम काम तमाम.
कापली का झाडं कापली का?
तू बाय तू कापडे तू.
किती मजा येते ना.
काम तमाम काम तमाम.
कापली का झाडं कापली का?
काम तमाम. स्वागत आहे तुमचं. असाच जर निसर्गाचा वाट लावत राहिला तर तुमची येणारी पुढची पिढी तुम्हाला कधीच माफ नाही करणार. बस इतकंच.
स्वागत आहे तुमचं. असं जर पर्यावरणाचा राज करत राहिला तर प्रचंड रोगराई बसेल. जास्त काही होणार नाही.
स्वागत आहे तुमचं. असं जर पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास करत राहिलात ना तर एक दिवस श्वासही घेता येणार नाही. जास्त काही होणार नाही. स्वागत आहे तुमचं. असं जर पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास करत राहिलात ना तर ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग सारख्या समस्या निर्माण होतील आणि एक दिवस जीव जाईल. जास्त काही होणार नाही.
स्वागत आहे तुमचं. असं जर पर्यावरणाचा राज करता येत ना महापूर आणि महाप्रलय अजून काय होणार नाही.
स्वागत आहे तुमचं. असा जर पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास करत राहिला ना तर इवल्याच्या पक्षांची घरटी नाहीशी होतील. जास्त काही होणार नाही.
स्वागत आहे तुमचं. असं जर पर्यावरणाचा नाश करत राहिलाच ना तर वन्य प्राणी शहरात येतील. जास्त काही होणार नाही. स्वागत आहे तुमचं. असं जर पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास होत राहिला ना तर एक दिवस अन्नधान्याचा पुरवठाही सुद्धा होणार नाही. जे आज 2 वेळचे खायला मिळते ते उद्या एक दिवस पण मिळणार नाही. जास्त काय होणार नाही.
स्वागत आहे तुमचं. असा जर पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास करत राहिलात ना तर एक दिवस संपूर्ण जीवसृष्टीचा नाश. जास्त काय होणार नाही. मला वाटलंच होतं तुम्ही टाळ्याच वाजवणार. असं ना अजून असा दरवेळेला आम्ही पथनाट्यासाठी येणार, जनजागृतीसाठी येणार, तुम्ही पथनाट्य ऐकणार आणि घरी निघून जाणार. 4 जोक त्यातले डोक्यात ठेवणार, जाता जाता गाणी गुणगुणत निघून जाणार. पुढे काय? या समाजाचं काय रे गड्या? समाजाचं काय? अरे डोळे उघडे ठेवून सुद्धा समोर आपल्या पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास होत असताना आपण फक्त आणि फक्त बघतच राहतो. नाही, हे जर असंच चालू राहिलं ना तर एक दिवस काय होऊ शकतं बघायचं तुम्हाला. बघा तर मग.
हो मी सुजाण नागरिक आहे या भारताची, पण तरी मी या प्रदूषणाला आळा घालू शकली नाही.
थकलेलं वाटतं सावलीची गरज असते, पण सावली उडली तरी कुठे?
नाही, पण मला वाटतं की पुढच्या पिढीला काँक्रीटची जंगलं बघायला मिळतील वाटतं.
26 जुलै सारखी अतिवृष्टी झाल्याच्या नंतर सरकारला दोष द्यायला आपण पुढे असतो, पण स्वतःची कर्तव्य कधी पार पाडतो का?
इतक्या प्रमाणात झाडं तोडली की अतिवृष्टीमुळे साचलेलं पाणी झिरपला तरी कुठे?
आणि हो, पर्यावरणामुळे मी आहे, माझ्यामुळे पर्यावरण नाही, त्यामुळे त्याचं संगोपन करणं माझंच कर्तव्य आहे.
आपल्या गर्लफ्रेंड किंवा बॉयफ्रेंड सोबत झाडाखाली बसणं किती छान वाटतं ना. मग तुम्ही कधी एक तरी झाड लावलं आहे का? मग तुम्हाला काय हक्क आहे झाड तोडण्याचा? नुसतं NSLचे ट्री प्लांटेशन करून काही उपयोग नाही. झाड लावल्यानंतर ते जगवणे हे आपलेच कर्तव्य आहे.
अरे पर्यावरण म्हणजे काय तुमच्या आणि माझ्या बाबा संपत्ती नाही उद्ध्वस्त करायला.
चला तर मग सगळ्यांनी एक शपथ घेऊया, प्रत्येकाने एक झाड लावूया,
प्रत्येकाने एक झाड लावूया,
व ते झाड जगवूया,
व ते झाड जगूया.
लक्षात ठेवा.
झाडावर प्रेम करा, झाडाखाली नको.
एक पडलेल्या मागोरे
आपल्या समोर सहज आणि सविनय सादर करीत होतो.
But we have somebody present right here in this room who has been a constant source of inspiration for us again, day in, day out. Somebody who is very easily available to us. And someone who, you know, she herself was a businesswoman. She was an entrepreneur. She had her own furnishing store, which she gave up just to follow her passion for her country and to serve the society. You know, from last 15 years, she has involved herself in social service and dedicating her time empowering youth by felicitating the Art of Living happiness programs and also through various initiatives of Volunteer for Better India. She was also the national campaign manager for I Vote for Better India project. And she has also been the pioneer for various other important VBI projects like the RA cleanup, blood donation camps, railway station cleanups, Mind Your Vehicle projects and many more. Can I please request our inspiration, our mentor, philosopher, guide, Ms. Vasudha Jhunjhunwala here to share some few words of inspiration.
Ma'am, Sushil sir, all the professors, people from the corporate world, the NSS students, the IBBI volunteers. I can't tell you what this moment means for me. You know, just like all of you may have in your childhood dreamt of doing something for your country, when I heard tales about Gandhiji, about these leaders who did something for their country, I felt, will I get a chance? And I've been very, I would say, had an opportunity, have been gifted that many such opportunities have come my way. And I thank the Master for giving a vision, giving my life a direction, for being able to contribute a little bit to making India better. That's what keeps me alive and going every moment of life. Because somewhere, all of us want that India of our dreams, isn't it? Yes. And we know that this soil is greater and more beautiful than any of us can imagine. And why it makes me feel so nice right now is a group of people who have come together, who believe in this, that transformation is possible. It was with your contribution, it was with your participation, that the IVBI campaign was possible. As Sukirti told you, this campaign happened in more than 1,000 constituencies around the country. And what was the great thing about this was, there was a volunteer in Jammu and Kashmir, and there was a volunteer in Bangalore, down south. There was a person from the corporate and a homemaker, and also those who worked from Silicon Valley to be a part of this campaign. All woke up with one cause, woke up with one intent of making Indian democracy work. And I think that's what makes this campaign one of the largest nation building activities ever of the modern times. So I think this is an applause for you to be a part of this one movement. You've been hearing about Volunteer for Better India. Why Volunteer for Better India? You know, being a part of social service for so many years, I have experienced that all of us want change, and there are so many of us doing our bit, like the NSS group. I think the group which just did the Natak, I'm inspired by all of you. You all are wonderful, really. So many NGOs, many student leaders, many project heads, many people in administration and in government, you know, all of them are not bad. We've had some very good experiences with working with them. Want a better India, are working for it. But at the end of the day, when we still look at the country, we don't see it moving towards where we want to take it. Isn't it? I think what is required is a collaborative effort. An effort where all of us can come together, keeping aside our identity. I'm a student, I'm from this race, I'm from this religion. All of this has happened enough for us. We've been broken enough. I think the time is that we get together, come together for a bigger cause which unites us. And that's what Volunteer for Better India is all about. Which gives a common citizen a platform, the administration a platform, the NGOs a platform, all the NSS students, wonderful youth leaders, project managers, a platform to come together for this one dream of making India better, for making India the golden bird that we all hear it was one day. And I'm sure if we all walk together, if we continue to go this way, there's a lot that we can do. Because we have Principal Ma'am, we have Sushil Sir, we have so many such people, guides, mentors, who can bless us, who can guide us and take us to our dream. So are we ready? Yes. That wasn't a very enthusiastic ready. Are we ready? Yes. So how do we do that? A little bit about Volunteer for Better India. You know, there are two things that we focus on. One is education. As ma'am, as Sushil Sir said, if I am educated, a lot of people in the Nukkad Natak team said, you know, the common citizen today doesn't even realize what's happening in the backyard. It's like fire has reached my doorsteps and I don't know what to do, right? So first is education. We need to go out there, educate people about what they can do. What as a citizen is their role and responsibility. So we have many forums where we educate citizens, and I want each one of you to be a leader to impart this education, because when I have woken up, only then I can awake others. And all of you are definitely leaders of the society, isn't it? So we get educated about a cause and then we go and educate others. That's the first part of it. Second is taking up these projects, these very important projects which, you know, what Volunteer for Better India says, it says give 1 hour to the nation. Imagine if India and Indians, even a portion of our society starts giving 1 hour to the nation, what is it that we can achieve? Yeah, it was through this 1 hour. I tell you, I have to share this with you. One morning, we just decided RA is too dirty, we need to get the plastic out. We announced this campaign. 400 citizens on a Sunday morning, I don't know from where, they came together and we removed 5 truckloads of plastic from RA within 2 hours. Imagine if this had to be done by one person. It would take days. But when people come together, it doesn't take time. And that's why we could manage 5 lakh registrations. It wasn't easy, right? We all know so many problems in the system itself. But if we come together, no challenge is big. Yeah? So we have this very beautiful, that's a little about the campaign. So we have this very beautiful website that we have just launched, www.bbimumbai.org. Through this website, you can announce your project. So I know NSS students are doing a lot of projects. I know Nirmala College has one project happening in Borivali National Park where yearly they go and donate clothes to poor people. Now when I met the students, I said, why should there be the same set of students every year going? Why not more 500, more 1,000 people join you to go and do this with you? And they said, yes ma'am, we should do that. That's what this platform will do for us. All your projects you can announce on this website. What we intend to do is enroll 1 lakh people from Bombay who would like to give 1 hour to the nation, and projects like this can be supported through this platform. We also have a phone app coming up which is going to bridge gap between administration, between people and those who are doing good. Yeah? With a click of the app, we'll be able to announce what we are doing in our area and connect with many more people. We all need more hands, right? Yes. So this is what VBI is going to do. If you have a project in mind, you approach us. Don't think it's another platform. Your identity will be revealed, will be taken care of. You have to just use this platform for the cause.